Anyways. Can I flood Grandma's house? I don't think so. But, oh. No. Where's my knife at? Grandma, you don't want to do this. Okay. Like I said, Grandma. Let me try to do this again. Grandma! Yeah. Grandma's going on the op list. Can you I didn't help. Grandma. Oh! I'm sorry, Grandma. Get away, please. Okay, I'm gonna break all the cups before I can even do this. It's not my fault. Trust me. I'm not doing it! What the? Grandma. Okay, I'm gonna be super careful this time. Dang it! About a billion broken glasses later, I think Grandma's stuck. We got water in the pot. Oh, don't spill. But yeah. I think I killed Granny. It's okay, that's okay. We're gonna go chop veggies. Okay. Wait, can I actually chop them? Oh my gosh. Hang on. Oh my gosh. Oh, stay still. Oh, sorry. My fault. Oh my gosh. Perfect. Alright. Like, literally, wait. What can I put? Ooh. Yep. This is the one. Ooh. Oh, they're burnt. No, I burnt my soup. Alright. It's pretty good. Okay. Yes. Oh, yeah, that's good. Uh-huh. They're a little burnt. I'm literally a chef. Oh! I got a little greedy there. I'm sorry. If I go to sleep, will Grandma be okay again? Grandma? Perfect. I'm so happy you're okay. Oh! Grandma, can I make you some toast? Grandma? I'm gonna poison the toast. Oh, what? Oh my god. Grandma, stop it. Let me go get a butter knife. Yeah. Oh, okay, I can't hurt Grandma with that. Hang on, do we have... Bro, Grandma, get away. Oh my god. What can I put on here for Grandma? Oh, no. What can I put on here for Grandma? She's gonna hurt me. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. I'm like, Grandma, I'm not gonna make you toast anymore, you know that? Let me look in the fridge if there's something I can put on the toaster for Granny. Avocados in here? Okay. Grandma's gonna love it. Gotta make sure to wash my hands after these. She'll never know. Grandma, I made this for you. You can have it. It's for you. Don't make me use this, Grandma. Oh no, she took my knife. Oh, eat it, Grandma. Eat the chili. Eat the chili. Eat it! God, I hate you, Grandma.